Our understanding of the cosmos has evolved dramatically over time. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble estimated the universe to be merely 2 billion years old. Today, thanks to advanced telescopes and precision instruments, we know it to be nearly 14 billion years old. Each refinement emphasizes the universe's immense antiquity and reminds us that our comprehension remains provisional. Even within our own galaxy, mysteries abound. Observations of stars at the Milky Way's outer edges reveal slower than expected motions, suggesting gaps in knowledge of dark matter distribution. The European Space Agency's Gaia satellite, which has mapped nearly 2 billion stars with remarkable accuracy, provides insights that challenge prior estimates of the galaxy's mass. Findings indicate that the Milky Way's mass could be up to 5 times lower than previously thought, reshaping our understanding of dark matter's influence. Understanding stellar motions and galactic mass distribution is an ongoing challenge. As data accumulates, astronomers refine models and deepen their insight into the intricate cosmic web that binds galaxies together. Beyond our galaxy, humanity's quest extends to the universe's earliest moments. Telescopes like JWST detect galaxies formed just hundreds of millions of years after the Big Bang, shedding light on the first stages of star formation and galactic evolution. Observations of exoplanets orbiting distant stars reveal worlds with conditions potentially suitable for life. Thousands of exoplanets have been identified, some exhibiting Earth-like characteristics. Notably, JWST has detected water vapor in the atmosphere of WASP 96b, alongside clouds and haze, hinting that habitable conditions may exist in places once deemed inhospitable. These discoveries raise profound scientific and philosophical questions. Could life exist elsewhere in the universe? What forms might it take? Could civilizations elsewhere have already emerged and vanished without our knowledge? The study of exoplanets bridges observational astronomy with existential inquiry, forcing humanity to consider its place in a vastly larger cosmic context. Theories of the universe extend even further. Concepts such as the multiverse suggest the existence of countless parallel universes or dimensions, arising from interpretations of quantum mechanics. According to the many worlds hypothesis, every possible outcome of a quantum event may occur in a separate reality. While speculative, these ideas challenge us to think beyond observable phenomena, probing the boundaries of what lies beyond our cosmic horizon. Similarly, phenomena like dark flow, the unexplained motion of galaxy clusters at velocities exceeding expectations, hint at forces and structures yet to be fully understood. Despite the uncertainty, one truth remains: the universe is overwhelmingly dominated by invisible forces. Dark matter constitutes approximately 27% of the cosmos, while dark energy comprises nearly 68%, exerting profound influence over the universe's expansion, evolution, and ultimate fate. Ordinary matter, the stars, planets, and life we know, makes up less than 5% of the total. Understanding these unseen components may one day revolutionize our conception of reality. Every observation, whether of distant galaxies, exoplanets, or cosmic phenomena, expands knowledge while revealing further mysteries. Each discovery challenges assumptions, compelling scientists to rethink fundamental concepts and explore beyond the limits of current understanding. Our journey is ongoing. From the ancient star Methuselah to the possibility of life on distant exoplanets, from the enigmatic forces of dark matter to the expansive push of dark energy, humanity continues to probe, question, and explore. The universe inspires awe, reminding us of both its immensity and our relative smallness. Telescopes like JWST do more than capture light; they bridge billions of years, revealing cosmic history and forcing us to reconsider our place within it. Each photon collected, each faint signal interpreted, is a testament to human persistence, ingenuity, and ambition. As observational techniques improve, international collaborations deepen, and scientific instruments become ever more sophisticated, the frontiers of space continue to expand. The quest to understand the cosmos is not merely scientific. It is profoundly human, shaping our perception of reality, inspiring wonder, and challenging us to confront questions far beyond daily experience. With every new insight, humanity takes another step toward unraveling the universe's mysteries. The cosmos is far more complex, intricate, and beautiful than we ever imagined, yet it remains within reach of those willing to look, question, and persist. Each discovery reminds us that the universe is vast, impermanent, and full of secrets. Our journey to comprehend it is only beginning, a testament to the enduring power of curiosity, imagination, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. For countless generations, humanity has gazed at the night sky, mesmerized by the infinite expanse of stars, galaxies, and the vast unknowns stretching beyond comprehension. From the earliest civilizations to today's most advanced scientific minds, the cosmos has stirred curiosity, wonder, and a profound sense of humility. These mysteries have fueled an unrelenting quest to understand the universe, a pursuit that spans centuries, shaping the way we perceive ourselves, our place, and the very nature of existence. In the 20th century, scientists formulated the Big Bang Theory, a model explaining the universe's origin, its expansion, and the evolution of cosmic structures over billions of years. This framework revolutionized cosmology, offering a lens through which humanity could explore the past and attempt to predict the universe's future. Yet even with its widespread acceptance, the Big Bang leaves profound questions unanswered. How did the universe achieve such incredible uniformity across unimaginable distances? What existed before the Big Bang? And why do physical laws take the specific forms we observe? Recent discoveries have added further layers to these mysteries. In 2023, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, captured observations that astonished and perplexed scientists worldwide. It detected cosmic structures appearing to exist at a stage seemingly older than the universe itself, challenging our understanding of cosmic evolution. Could stars persist longer than the calculated age of the universe? Might these anomalies require a fundamentally new framework for cosmology, one that revises our most basic assumptions? Approximately 200 light-years from Earth in the constellation Lyra lies a remarkable star, HD 40283, more commonly known as Methuselah. This star is extraordinary not only for its age but also for its incredible velocity, traveling through space at nearly 4,483 kilometers per second. Its speed and trajectory hint at a tumultuous past. Around 1 billion years ago, during the Milky Way's formative years, our galaxy merged with a smaller dwarf galaxy. This cosmic collision scattered stars, leaving Methuselah hurtling across space at unprecedented speeds, a relic of a chaotic era in galactic history. Yet the most astonishing feature of Methuselah is its age. Initial estimates suggested it could be as old as 16 billion years, but refined measurements place it at roughly 14.46 billion years, with a margin of error of about 800 million years. Considering that the widely accepted age of the universe is approximately 13.8 billion years, this creates a paradox. How could a star appear older than the universe itself? This conundrum has forced scientists to re-examine stellar dating methods and prompted new investigations into the reliability of our cosmic chronometers. Dating stars is an intricate process. Unlike planets or moons, stars maintain relatively stable sizes and temperatures for billions of years, making precise age determination difficult. Astronomers analyze subtle variations in brightness, spectral composition, and rotational velocity. Much like a spinning top gradually slowing due to friction, stars lose rotational speed over time. By comparing spin rates of stars at different life stages, scientists use frameworks such as gyrochronology to estimate stellar ages. Methuselah exemplifies these techniques but also highlights their limits, suggesting our understanding of cosmic time may require revision. If we compress the history of the universe into a cosmic calendar, with the Big Bang occurring at midnight on January 1st, Earth would appear only in the final hours of December 31st, and all human history would occupy mere seconds. Astronomers estimate the universe's age by studying radiation from the most distant stars, formed hundreds of millions of years after the Big Bang, using redshift, the stretching of light due to cosmic expansion, to measure distance and expansion rates. These observations consistently point to an age of roughly 13.8 billion years. Yet some recent studies suggest alternative possibilities. Researchers at the University of Ottawa have proposed that the universe could be as old as 26.7 billion years. Theoretical frameworks suggest that protons may lose energy over vast distances, potentially altering redshift measurements. Concepts like tired light and time-varying interaction constants, first proposed in the early 20th century by Paul Dirac and others, may provide explanations for anomalies challenging conventional cosmology.